Hey guys, real quick, I am going to show you how I get some ideas for article writing for my SEO, and this is going to be real short. So what the whole line of succession and my strategy here is to find a keyword, write an article on it, low competition, decent monthly searches, and then I am going to have a Fiverr article content writer. It's going to do a 500 word article on my subject or my keyword, and then I am going to put a lead ad on Facebook, and I'm going to drive them to my website for now. And later I will be able to after I do some more retargeting, I will start to ask for emails if they're interested in the stuff that I produce. But at this point, I'm just trying to collect data on people that like the subjects that I'm talking about. That way I can retarget them with window cleaning ads in the future. So that's what I'm trying to do at this point. So right now, I put Cincinnati Golf Communities up here, and we are going to do a search. So you can't really see it, but I just hit get results on the side there. And I should have made this box bigger for you guys, but if I go over here, that's the rest of it. That's what you're not seeing. So I went through all of these, and I'm going to hit the next. We're just going to go through here and try to find a keyword that we can use. These will be pretty nice to use, but they're individual golf courses, and I want to use more of the general of Cincinnati. It's like Pebble Creek Golf Club. I could target that exact, but I wouldn't have a huge audience, but it is good to do if you're going to be cleaning windows in that area. Maybe it's in a certain town that you want to use a keyword with, and you can go after that. And that's what I have been doing with a couple other golf courses around. But I'm going to do a general keyword that has low competition, and I would like to stay between 1 and 10,000 in searches. So they have Ohio golf courses, which I don't want to use. See, Top Golf Cincinnati, that's an actual franchise. We don't want to use that. Cincinnati Golf Courses. See, I think this is the one that I like. Has 1,000 to 10,000 searches a month, and it has low competition, so we might be able to rank on the first page using this, which would bring us another few clicks to our website. So I think I'm going to go with this one right here, because I've already done through this. I've been through this before, and this is the keyword that I'm looking for. So let's take this right here, and that's the keyword we're going to be going after. So now I am going to go to Fiverr, and I've already went through this. I tried to tape it and it didn't work, so I'm doing this again for you guys. So here's my Fiverr article, and this is the girl that I contacted. But just to show you guys what let's see, where did my Fiverr go? Right here. Right here it says find services. So I can go article. This screen, I didn't make it the whole screen. That's why I have to move these windows around for you guys to see. Article writing. So we can do right here. And this will pull up all the article writers. And you can see that this is where they're ranked. So like out of 5 stars, she has a 4.7, 26 total people that. So they're pretty new. We don't want to go there. 5 stars, only 8. She's really new. So right here, expert, but it's a German writing. We don't want that. But see how well this person's done. 504 people have given a review at 5 stars. And if you click on her, that starts at 50 and it goes up from there. They usually have 3 different levels. But I like to stay with the Americans because they're native speakers, and when you go into a different culture, they just speak a little differently, and you could almost hear it through their writing in the articles. But and you can find that by clicking. Like if I clicked on this lady here, let's see where she's from. She's from the United Kingdom, so she's pretty good. She'll have native speaking English for you. See, now if you go right here, 15 basic, this is the basic package, you get 250 words for a blog post or article. And then 500 for websites conveying information to the general population, and then 85 for a 1,000-word article for in-depth exploration of a subject or an opinion piece. Which I may have to do something like that, and I don't want to spend that much money. I was thinking I would be around $15, but I've already contacted one of my favorites. So let me go to, I had saved one of my favorites, so let's go to the one that I saved here. And I think this is the girl right here. So I've already contacted this girl. And she's from Australia. And let's see, she is they have a $5 deal. I think she offers more than $5. I don't know why. Well, I mean, she's doing 1,000 words for $5. It's pretty good, but I thought it was a bigger one. But she does only have 7 people that have left review, but they are 5 stars, so I'm gonna give her a shot. She's a young girl, so see what she can do. But I've contacted her, and let's see, I'll show you what. Let's see, inbox right here. So this is what I asked her. So I'm looking for a content writer that can identify golfing communities from Cincinnati, Ohio, in the United States that have housing on the course. My keyword is Cincinnati golf courses, and I would like to talk about some of the golf courses that have a nice neighborhood around them. I have a window washing business that I would like to target the demographics of this group. Can and will you be willing to help me? So, and she will respond, and I will get a message up here. Usually right here in my notifications, she'll be at the top. So, and of course she's only $5, so that'd be pretty cheap. If she's a little more, I wouldn't mind paying a little more as well. So that's who I'm using. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take that article, and I'm going to make a short post on Facebook, and then I'm going to make an ad and target people around the Cincinnati general area. It's a dark post, which means that none of my people that I really are people that already like my page or people that are friends of mine, they won't see it. So it's just a ad that I put out there that nobody sees. And once they click on that ad, I'll give them a brief summary of it, and then read further, click here, and it'll take you to my website. And this tracks them. It leaves a cookie, and I can retarget those people at a later date with other ads and about my window washing. So that's kind of how I'm funneling my target, and hopefully I can get a window cleaning or a soft wash job out of this. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the next week or so. So I'm going to record all this for you guys, and hopefully we can see. And I do have some other things I'm going to be doing on this platform as well. I'll do some of that, and we can watch and see if that works. This is all testing. We don't know if any of this works, but you got to start somewhere, right? Thanks for joining me, and follow me on my little journey. Thanks. Bye.